Ever wondered how AI is transforming satellite images into a language we can actually understand? Let's dive into the cutting-edge tools decoding Earth secrets, tracking deforestation, predicting climate shifts, or even uncovering hidden infrastructure. Imagine an AI that doesn't just see a forest but can read a report about its health, cross-reference it with weather data, and explain why trees are vanishing. This is the power of multimodal language models, AI systems that seamlessly process images and text, acting like bilingual detectives. Take EarthGPT and RemoteCLIP. They're like universal translators between satellite photos and human language. For instance, RS-LLaVA can analyze a melting glacier, not only describing its state but answering precise questions like, how fast is it shrinking? It's like equipping AI with superpowered binoculars and a dictionary in one. But here's the breakthrough. These models aren't just passive observers. They're learning to detect changes over time. GeoLLaVA functions as a time-traveling detective, comparing satellite images across years to spot subtle shifts, like urban sprawl encroaching on farmland or crops failing due to drought. Meanwhile, TeoChat acts as a futurist, using trends to predict outcomes. Want to know how a heatwave might impact agriculture? This AI simulates scenarios, almost like a weather forecast for the planet. How do they work? Think of them as AI apprentices trained on vast datasets, satellite imagery, weather reports, pollution levels, and more. By weaving these clues together, they answer questions no single dataset could solve. For example, asking, what if we build a highway here? Might trigger predictions about air pollution, wildlife disruption, or temperature shifts. The real impact. These tools are already tackling real-world challenges. From real-time deforestation monitoring to smarter urban planning, they turn raw data into actionable insights. As they evolve, they'll help us not just see Earth's changes, but understand them step by step. So next time you hear about climate change or urban development, remember, AI isn't just watching the planet. It's learning its stories, one image and data point at a time. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring what's possible. But here's a deeper question. How do we measure how well AI truly understands visual data? Let's break down a critical research area, evaluating AI's ability to describe images accurately. Imagine training a robot to explain a photo. How do we know if it's actually seeing the right details? This study introduces a scoring system. Think of it as a report card for AI. It asks 3 key questions. Does the description match the image's content? Does it correctly identify the scene's context? And does it capture both major and subtle details? Each is scored out of 5, with a perfect score meaning the AI nails every object, nuance, and detail. The researchers tested this on video models like GeoLLaVA and LLaVA XT video. But they didn't stop at images. They added sensor data, weather readings, GPS info to the AI's prompts. The results? A significant boost. One model's accuracy jumped from 0.157 to 0.255 on a key metric when sensor data was included. Those numbers aren't just stats, they're proof that extra context transforms AI performance. Why does this matter? Video models aren't naturally suited for tasks like satellite analysis. Unlike models pre-trained on such data, these systems needed a nudge. Adding sensors was like giving them a roadmap. They still learned, but now they navigated complex scenes with greater precision. The takeaway: AI isn't perfect, but its performance hinges on how we teach it. By refining evaluation methods and integrating smart inputs like sensor data, we're building smarter, more reliable visual AI. As these systems improve, they'll revolutionize climate monitoring, disaster response, and more. Because now, AI isn't just analyzing data. It's helping us see the world in ways we've never imagined. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI is shaping our world, hit subscribe. Let me know what topics you'd love to explore next. Until then, keep wondering, keep learning, and stay curious.